Okay, let's see how you can upgrade the AWW level to another one. So the first thing, let's open the AWW site. I was on kitchenware, which I was earning 40 to 50 bob per day. Now I'm going to show you how you can go a step ahead and purchase the consumer electronics level, which is level 2 member. Now for this I'll be earning 200 and 300 bob per day, which will be 0.75% of the initial investments. So for me to do that, these are the steps. Let's go to AWW app. As you can see, level 2 is not open. So let's see how much it costs for me to have level 2, which is consumer electronics. So let's go to member system. So here you can see level 2 or VIP 2 member costs 600 bob. Okay, so for me to buy, ensure you have at least 600 and at least 650 bob on your M-PESA, because 50 bob will cover the transaction costs. Then ensure you have 3K on your total assets up here. Okay, so consumer electronics, you need to have 3K on your total assets. Then for you to purchase, you need to have 650 bob, at least 650. The cost of VIP 2 is 600, but at least have 650 bob. 50 will cater for transactions. Okay, now just click buy. Then a request will be sent to your SIM card. Just say okay and input your PIN. Okay, once you do that, you will get a message. The money has been sent, so let's check if it has been unlocked. You see, so the 3000 special area level 2 member has been unlocked instantly, and we can now start clicking and earns between 200 and 300 per day. Okay, now that we have upgraded, you are not supposed to withdraw the remaining amount, which is 3K. Don't withdraw it, just leave it, because if you do that, it will be, your membership will be revoked to the level 1, which was default. So just leave it, the 3K there, and withdraw anything above that after every certain days.